Well, let's start with now. In this part of discussion, after talking about literary theory and its importance in the field of literary criticism, we shall talk about types of literary criticism. Means this theory, provides you the lenses to look at a literary work, and based on that, we have different types of criticism. So there are generally, four types of criticism. One is practical criticism, then we have theoretical criticism, descriptive criticism, and prescriptive criticism. And these four types can further be grouped into two broad classes. One is practical and theoretical criticism, and the second one is descriptive and prescriptive criticism. We shall talk about these types one by one. Now, what is practical and theoretical criticism? Now, when we talk about practical criticism, you must have done it in your TYBA. We talk about the meter, we talk about the rhythm, we talk about the poetic devices, we talk about the use of simile, the use of metaphor, the use of what we call rhyme scheme, the use of just we go for the scansion, iambic pentameter, okay, dactyl meter, whatever. Means all these devices, sound devices, meaning devices, and other aspects are studied. That is practical criticism. This was proposed by I.A. Richards, a British critic. So practical criticism focuses on the examination of individual text. It examines individual text, means individual poem, individual story, individual novel, individual drama, etc. And it, using the knowledge of poetic devices, sound devices, other literary devices, it examines the text. Text is the broader term to refer to poetry, drama, etc. While theoretical criticism discusses the nature of literature, okay, how literature functions, and the relation between literature, critics, and society. This is what theoretical criticism is. It talks about the nature. Nature means here the form, the characteristics of literature. How literature is correlated with human life. It talks about the definition of literature. It talks about critics. It talks about society. For example, in the first part of my discussion, I talked about the role of critics. So that is what theoretical criticism is. It comes up with a theory, whereas practical criticism is the actual application of the theoretical knowledge. So this is how we understand the difference between practical criticism and theoretical criticism. While descriptive and prescriptive criticism, are different. Descriptive criticism tends to explain the piece of literature as it is. Means it does not tell what should be done, how it should be. It tells how it is. एखादी साहित्यकृती कशी असावी याबद्दल ती बोलत नाहीये. डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह क्रिटिसिझम. साहित्यकृती कशी आहे म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिकलच आहे एक प्रकारचा. ओके. Whereas prescriptive criticism tells us how a literary work should be. कशी असावी याबद्दल सांगते. इथे कवीने हे सांगायला पाहिजे होतं, अमुक पोएटिक डिव्हाइस वापरायला हवं होतं. ओके, दिस इज हाऊ प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह क्रिटिसिझम. उदा प्रिस्क्रिप्शन शब्द तुम्ही ऐकून असाल. हॅव यू एव्हर हर्ड द वर्ड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन? Can someone tell?
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
Where do you come across? The word
In
prescription.
doctor gave you a
Yes,
prescription
very
to
good.
us.
Yes. So doctor gives you a prescription, and it tells us what does it tell us? It gives the list of tablets, medicine, okay, etc., syrup, etc., and it tells us how many times, how much, etc. should we take. किती गोळ्या घ्यायच्या, कधी घ्यायच्या, हे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन सांगत असतं आपल्याला. Just like that, prescriptive criticism tells us how a piece of work should be, it ought to be. एखादी साहित्यकृती कशी असायला हवी, म्हणजे हे सांगण्याचं काम प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह क्रिटिसिझम करतं. डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह क्रिटिसिझम डज नॉट टेल यू, इट टेल्स अस ओनली हाऊ इट इज, ती कशी आहे याबद्दल बोलत असते. Is that clear? So this is the difference between descriptive and prescriptive criticism. Okay, and now we shall talk about different literary theories. Theories of criticism, we can say. Literary criticism. There are different theories. Now you should keep one thing in your mind. I'm introducing you to the paper. These are introductory lectures wherein you are understanding what literary criticism is, what a critic's role is, what literary theory is, what are its types. Okay, now we shall talk about theories of literary criticism. There are different theories of literary criticism which are categorized into four major classes. The first important theory is named as mimetic theory. The second one is named as pragmatic theory. Thirdly, we have expressive theory. And finally, you have objective theory. These are four types of theories. These theories can be mimetic, pragmatic, expressive, objective. Let's see how. Now, what is a mimetic theory? Well, I am sure that you must have studied some literary criticism. Of course, as per my knowledge, there is a paper itself. You must have got familiar with Plato's mimetic theory or theory of mimesis. So it is a very classical theory. It comes from ancient Greek. So mimetic theory. Do you know the meaning of the word mime? Can anyone tell me the meaning of the word mime? Are you familiar with the word mime? Those who teach in English medium schools, they must have taught their students about mime. Okay, so it is an imitation. Mimetic theory sees a work of literature as a reflection of the universe. According to this theory, literature is a mirror held to society. Mimetic theory काय सांगतं? साहित्य हे समाजाचं आरसा आहे, समाजाचं प्रतिबिंब आहे. So this is how. It is an imitation of the real life. Literature is an imitation, अनुकरण म्हणतो आपण. It is an imitation of real life. Okay. And this theory regards literature as imitating or reflecting life. Very famous definition of literature is based on this particular theory. साहित्य म्हणजे समाजाचा आरसा, साहित्य म्हणजे समाजाचं प्रतिबिंब. ही जी व्याख्या आहे, ही व्याख्या या थेरीवर आधारित आहे. This particular definition, literature is a reflection of society, reflection of life, imitation of life, is based on mimetic theory. So this theory emphasizes on the truth and accuracy of its representation. Means literature represents human life. साहित्य मानवी जीवनाचं प्रतिनिधित्व करतं. It is the representation of human life. So there should be truth and accuracy. त्यामुळे हे जे theory आहे, mathematic theory or सिद्धांत, emphasizes on what? Truth and accuracy. सत्य आणि accuracy वर भर देतं. Accuracy म्हणजे तंतोतंतपणा. So that is why it is said that literature is realistic. And this theory believes in realism. And I have already mentioned that mimetic means imitation. Mimetic means imitation, anukaran. And the word mimetic or mime comes, or it was used by Aristotle in 4th century. Okay. And in this theory, he states that tragedy is the imitation of an action. You must have studied tragedy last year in TYBE. Tragedy is an imitation of an action. Okay. In a splendid language. A very famous definition given by Aristotle. So here he means the same. Okay. Tragedy means a type of drama. And this tragedy is the imitation of an action. Okay. So this is how we understand the first theory, mimetic theory of arts. There is another theory, pragmatic theory of arts, but we are running short of time now. We shall continue with our discussion in the next lecture.